first appointment is not too far from us. We're just doing a full interior and exterior detail. And then we're gonna try to hurry up and quickly make it to our next appointment by 10 a.m. He doesn't know that there is a 15-minute window, but we are heading to our first destination right now. Alrighty, y'all, so we just made it to our first destination. The young lady said that she did go ahead and get us booked through Google, so we're gonna try to have her leave a Google review at the end as well. So we're gonna charge $15 extra for the stains that she does have on there. She only had 2 stains, one in the back, one in the front. They're still pretty fresh stains, so I was able to kind of lift it up a little bit just with my finger. And then we're also gonna charge her an additional $15 extra as well for the bug removal, because she has a lot of bugs and poop on the front of her grill and on the hood of her car as well.
Up to the time, you know it's called tag.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
Yeah, baby, we have to fuck two times, got your pussy 2 times.
I know I gave you what you needed, I know what you like.
She said you see that bulb, yeah, you're too bright. See the clock here, broke up that like a school fight.
I feel it coming.
Oh.
Time is of the gas.
Every time when you pass my road, you do me something when you can't
I try to teach you, but I need some
the pussy
lessons.
plenty, can I get more?
I need to give it all.
Forever.
I try to live, but I can't.
Can I get more?
I don't know why you're the one.
It's called tag.
Turn me out of my
The
mind.
pussy plenty, can I get more? Can I get more?
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Forever.
You don't need no other
You have a
body.
couple things money can't buy. Money can't buy love, you better go buy Dubai. Cock up and the cocky freely, try no shy. If you like when it at you, like July. Me have a knife, for your key. Me a cut it in a two like cut eye. Sit down, girl, to one to eye. Bob Marley like both.
Stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
To me, you say no, baby. It's called tag. Baby, we have to fuck 2 times, got your pussy 2 tight. She say you see that bulb, yeah, you're too bright. See the clock here, broke up that like a school fight. She say you see that bulb, yeah, you're too bright. Every time when you pass my road, you do me something when me can't control. Girl, your pussy plenty, can I get more? Put your pussy for me, can I get more? Pretty girls from a far shot toe. See that long cocky, yeah, we make Shelly nose go. Girl, your pussy plenty, can I get more? Put your pussy for me, can I get more? Just get more.
Alrighty, y'all, so we just went ahead and finished up our first stop. We're on to our next stop. With completing the first vehicle, our first stop, we did a full interior and exterior wash. What we did on the interior was just a couple of harsh stains. There was one in the back seat and in also the front seat. They weren't too bad. I was able to get them off pretty much with the vacuum. I just went over with the carpet cleaner just to make sure that the stain would not come back, along with the odor removal. And then we did the exterior wash with the bug removal, and we also added tire glaze to the tires just to add a little bit of a shine to it. And then since the young lady did have leather seats, we added leather conditioner to protect her seats at all times. We also threw in some iron decon. We realized that the wheels actually had a lot of dirt and debris all over it, which caused it to be very hard just to get the brake buster to remove most of everything. So we did just toss that in there for free. That's usually a $60 value. The guy does know again. His name is Charles. He knows that we have a 15-minute grace period. Since we're just doing an exterior wash and a clay bar and seal, he does live about 20 minutes away from us, so he's fully aware. I did go ahead and let him know and sent the text over already, so he is fully aware, and I'll meet you guys at the next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, wait now. Yeah.
We just made it to our second destination. This appointment today, or right now, we are doing a clay and seal and an exterior wash, nothing on the inside. So we're charging $95 for everything in total. I just did a quick inspection on the vehicle, and there was a couple of tar that was around the vehicle. I told my buddy Charles, see if he wanted to have it tossed in for free. He said no, he wants me to charge him. So I did go ahead and increase the price to $110, and we're gonna work with that. But we're gonna start on the exterior wash, and then we're gonna do the clay bar and seal after the rinses.
Swimming that bitch, jumping that fire, jumping that bitch, hitting that fire, jumping out whip, jumping that bitch, oh, jumping that bitch, up and doing circles. He say bird, take it to the body. He's a nerd, pop out. I ain't seen niggas hit corners in the motherfucking burbs. Pop out. I'm politicking with the competition, what's the word? Put that on my mama, nigga, ate in the process. Nigga tryna tippy-toe through the progress. Tongue-tied when the truth is an object. What's the pros and the cons of this next check? Wasn't nobody round, I was independent. In a 97 bomb with the windows tinted. Heard a bomb got a strap in the potty. Who the fuck like a in the party? Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself, learned to put it to the side. Mama had to cater for the coupe that we rode after school on the wedding pot pies. And niggas wanna play both sides, it's a red dot, don't get on the wrong red eye. It's a headshot, they became woo them guys. Fuck around and buried two of them guys. I'm OD in Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and look through my lens. A millionth the grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams, to me is a fan. I netted them in and did a little dance. I'm fucking the world, I answered my fans. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect him, where did he begin? Advice from the council, let nobody in. Been swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends. And ducking the holes, I'm ducking the loony that come with the shows. I'm grateful to Mammon, he opened up doors. They bung on the tour bus to come and compose. I reach to the stars, I'm about to be told. This greatest success when most niggas fold. I tell you my past, that shit don't get old. But how could you ask like I don't be writing my rap? The critics got everyone tapped, you gotta relax. The city where nobody sleep, just tap in and that's where I'm at. Oh.
Smoking on your top 5 tonight. Smoking on your what's the name tonight. Smoking on your Josie tonight. I am the Omega. PG Lane rolling game SIE. Don't you address me unless it's with 4 letters. I thought you known better. I've been ducking the pandemic. I've been social gimmicks. I've been ducking the overnight activists. Yeah, I'm not a trending topic. Hold on, y'all niggas playing with me, man. I am the Omega. PG Lane rolling game SIE. Don't you address me unless it's with 4.
Alrighty, y'all, so we just got finished with our second job with the clay and seal and exterior wash. We did go ahead and add the tar removal for an extra $15. He was more than happy to get it done with us. He is wanting to do a paint correction. I'm going to get him a couple of people suggested so he can get some quotes. And then he ended up actually wanting me to work on his wife's vehicle and his daughter's next week on Wednesday. So I'll come back to you guys on Wednesday with that wash and those details. Next stop before we have our 5 o'clock appointment, just so we can get some things taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and get some more supplies. I'm gonna go get the CarPro sealant, and then I do need to go and get some more. Oh, also I need to grab that iron decon from PNS. So we're gonna go over there. We'll probably vlog in there just so you guys can kind of see where I usually go, where all the material is. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in just a couple minutes.
Bitch, I thought you known better. I've been ducking the pandemic. I've been ducking the social gimmicks. I've been ducking the overnight activists. Yo, I'm not a trending topic. I'm a prophet. I answer to Metatronic every year. Bitch, looking for a better me. I am a legacy. I come from the 70s. The Al Green, North Spring, guns and the melody. The big shot, wrist on cryotherapy. Soon as I press that button, nigga better get right. Like the emblems coming. Us two when I like he ain't been through none. Day 3 got at least 1 B in the oven. I'm tripping, I'm jigging my mental. Amazing, brother. Pop off only on occasion, brother. Rich nigga, mama, no, I made it, brother. Go figure, never come cases, brother. Face it, brother. Gracious, brother. New flows coming, be patient, brother. Show my ass in, take out of class. I can multitask like Megan, brother. 2021 ain't taking no prisoner. Last year, y'all fucked up all the listener. Who went platinum? I call that a visitor. Who the fuck backing them? All been falsified. The facts mean this a vaccine that the game need me to survive. The Elohim, the rebirth. Before you get to the Father, you gotta holler at me first, bitch.
So we just went ahead and went to 3D detailing, just picked up a couple of products. We needed more of the iron decon, and then we needed some more of our sealant. And then we also picked up some finishing spray from Kochemi. Those were all, in total, all 3 of those products was about $90.
Kiss me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious. Leave me. Don't look back, it's all about you. Need a dog right now. Feeling lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sins, and all about me. All you got right now. Feeling taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. Blood stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Old nigga got curved, going back on my word. Damn bitch, you so thirsty. Still don't know my words, still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental, got me looking too desperate. Damn, you ain't deserve. Friday, sunshine, I found a way to fuck it up. Still can't cry about the shit that I can change. Just my mind, gotta get out of here. Tough crowd, I hate it, can't stay. Need a dog right now. Feeling lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sins, and all about me. All you got right now. Feeling taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. Blood stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Old nigga got curved, going back on my word. Damn bitch, you so thirsty. Still don't know my words, still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental, got me looking too desperate. Damn, is that what you say? And how you do me? I'm supposed to trust, maybe supposed to love, but ain't supposed to hurt this way. All I need is the best of you. Baby, all I got to say, give me all the help. Need a dog right now. Feeling lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sins, and all about me. All you got right now. Feeling taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. Blood stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Old nigga got curved, going back on my word. Damn bitch, you so thirsty. Still don't know my words, still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental, got me looking too desperate. Damn, you ain't deserve.
After coming from 3D detailing, I completed the headlight restoration. I used 2000 sandpaper, 3000 sandpaper, headlight restoration from Chemical Guys. I used the Ryobi drill kit as well. It's an 11-piece set. I used the softer material, the medium soft material. Then I used the detailing spray from Chemical Guys as well. Got that from Walmart. It is about 4:12 looking at it here, and the client that I had at 5 p.m. he did cancel, so I am just about done for today. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, follow our YouTube, and if you are in the high desert area, Adelanto, Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, please go ahead and give us a call and we'll get you right.
Audio Jungle.